In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your workflow version in n8n. If you're working inside n8n and need to quickly check which version of a workflow you're looking at, the good news is that this is very simple once you know where to look. This can be especially useful if you're reviewing changes, troubleshooting an issue, or just making sure you're working on the correct save state of your workflow. To find your workflow version in n8n, start by opening the workflow you want to check. Once you're inside the workflow editor, move your attention to the upper right area of the screen. In that section, look for the small round arrow. This icon is easy to miss if you're not familiar with the layout, so take a second to scan carefully. It's located above on the right side, and the round arrow is the key thing you're looking for. When you find it, click on that small round arrow. After clicking it, you'll be able to access the workflow version information. This area is where n8n helps you review the version history or identify the current version associated with that workflow. If you're checking a workflow before making edits, this is a helpful habit because it gives you more confidence that you're viewing the right version before changing anything. If the icon doesn't immediately stand out, try making sure your browser window is fully expanded, since some interface elements can be harder to spot when the screen is too narrow. It also helps to pause for a moment and look specifically at the top right controls rather than the main canvas area, since most of your workflow building happens in the center of the screen. That's really all there is to it. In n8n, finding your workflow version starts with locating that small round arrow in the upper right corner and clicking it to reveal the version details. Once you know where this control is, it becomes much faster to verify workflow history whenever you need it. This is a small step, but it can save time and reduce confusion, especially if you're managing multiple updates or collaborating on automation work. Keep this location in mind the next time you need to confirm a workflow version in n8n, and you'll be able to find it in just a few seconds.